कुरा बाँकी कहाँ सबै छन् जाति यहाँ गरेका मिली सबै
गुराँस पनि फुल्छ यहाँ
एउटै हो सबको रहर बनाऊ यो हाम्रो सहर
एउटै हो सबको रहर बनाऊ यो हाम्रो सहर
हाम्रो विराटनगर।
नमस्कार भाइ बहिनीहरूलाई विराटनगर दूरशिक्षा कार्यक्रम 2077 मा स्वागत छ। म भाइ बहिनीहरूकै गणित शिक्षक केदारनाथ देवकोटा आज भाइ बहिनीहरूको कक्षा 8 को ज्यामितिसँग सम्बन्धित विषयवस्तुहरू लिएर आएको छु। आज हामीले अघिल्लो कक्षामा सिकेका कुराहरू बुझेका कुराहरूसँग सम्बन्धित समस्याहरू लिएर म उपस्थित भएको छु। भाइ बहिनीहरू यी समस्याहरू समाधान के कसरी गर्न सकिन्छ त्यसको बारेमा हामी आज बुझौँ है त। गएको दिन हामीले दुईवटा सरल रेखाखण्डहरूलाई एउटा छेदकले काट्दा अथवा when two line segments are cut by transversal then we get different angles and we discussed about the relationship between the angles. Here when two line segments were cut by a transversal then we got their 8 angles. Among them 4 angles were exterior angles, 4 angles were interior angles. Similarly 4 pairs are alternate angles, 4 pairs are corresponding angles. We got such pair of angles. Today I am going to review the same thing and again I will continue the problems related to them. Okay? भाइ बहिनीहरू हामीले गएको कक्षामा के हेर्यौं? कुनै दुईवटा सरल रेखाखण्डहरूलाई छेदकले काट्दा अथवा ट्रान्सभर्सलले इन्टरसेक्ट गर्दा हामीले के पायौं? 8 वटा एंगलहरू 8 वटा एंगल पायौं। यो पोइन्टमा हामीले 4 वटा एंगलहरू भेट्यौं, यो पोइन्टमा पनि हामीले 4 वटा एंगलहरू भेट्यौं। यसरी हामीले 8 वटा एंगलहरू पायौं। एंगल 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. When these two line segments, suppose A and B, these two line segments are cut by a transversal C, then we got 8 angles. Among them angle 1, angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8 exterior angles. Similarly angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6 are interior angles, and here angle 3 and 6 they are co-interior angles. Similarly 4 and 5 co-interior angles, and 2 and 7 co-exterior angles. 1 and 8 these are also co-exterior angles, which we discussed in last class. Similarly for angle 3, angle 5 is alternate. For angle 4, angle 6 is alternate. For angle 2, angle 8 is alternate. For angle 1, angle 7 is alternate angle. Similarly we discussed about the corresponding angles. For angle 1 5, angle 5 is corresponding angle A, B, C, angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. For 1, angle 5 is corresponding, 1 and 5 are corresponding angles. Similarly 2 and 6 are corresponding angles, 3 and 7 are corresponding angles, 4 and 8 are corresponding angles. We discussed about them last day or in last classes. Dear students, what I said in the last class, if these two line segments were parallel and the parallel line segments were cut by transversal, then what will be the relation between the angles? Here last day we discussed the sum of co-exterior angles is 180 degree. The sum of this angle and this angle is 180 degree. Suppose the angles are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Here the sum of angle 2 and angle 7. Angle 2 plus angle 7 equal to 180 degree. Why? Being these two lines parallel. Similarly, angle 1 and angle 8. Angle 1 and angle 8. The sum of angle 1 and angle 8 is also 180 degree. Why? These are the co-exterior angles made by transversal with two parallel lines. So the sum of angle 1 and 8 is 180 degree. Similarly, the sum of angle 2 and angle 7 is 180 degree. Similarly, angle 3 plus angle 6. Angle 3 plus angle 6 equal to 180 degree. The sum of co-interior angles is 180 degree. Similarly, angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. We discussed these things in last classes also. Similarly, dear students, when two line segments are cut by a transversal, then the alternate angles are equal. In this case, you can see in the same figure, angle 2 is equal to angle 8. Why? Angle 2 and angle 8, these two angles are called alternate angles. These are exterior alternate angles. Similarly, angle 1 equal to angle 7, 1 and 7. These are alternate angles, they are equal. Similarly, angle 3 and angle 5 and angle 4 and angle 6, these are equal. Last day or in last classes we discussed to recognize the alternate angles as in a circular way. If we take angle 4, then leaving 3, 6 is alternate. If we take 3, leaving 6, 5 is alternate. For 4, 6 is alternate. For 3, 5 is alternate. Similarly, for 2, leaving 7, 8 is alternate. For 7, leaving 8, 1 is alternate. In this way, we discussed about alternate angles. Here, these two line segments are parallel. These are cut by a transversal, so alternate angles are equal. Similarly, in the case of corresponding angles, in the figure you can see angle 2. Angle 2 is corresponding with angle 6. Angle 2 and 6, they are on the same side of a transversal. They are non-adjacent, and one is exterior and other is interior. For 2, 6 is angle 6 is corresponding, they are equal. For angle 3, angle 7 is corresponding. For angle 1, angle 5 is corresponding. Similarly, for angle 4, angle 8 is corresponding. Now, these corresponding angles are equal in pair, being these two lines parallel, and a transversal, if a transversal cuts the parallel line segments, then the corresponding angles are equal, the alternate angles are equal. The sum of co-exterior angles is 180 degree and the sum of co-interior angles is 180 degree. Okay. Now, dear students, I am going to explain some problems related to the same topic. Okay. Now come to the problem. Problems related to the topic. Question, find the values of x degree, y degree and z degree from the following figures or from the figures. Figure A, suppose these two line segments are parallel. These line segments are cut by a transversal, and suppose this angle is 80 degree. We need to find out x degree here. Similarly, y degree is here, z degree is here. Now we have a problem. We need to calculate the values of x degree, y degree and z degree. First of all, to calculate the unknown angles x degree, y degree and z degree, first of all we need to see the relation between the given angle and at first x degree if possible. Here x degree and 80 degree, the relation between these two angles is, certainly you know these two angles make a linear pair. So the sum of x degree and 80 degree is 180 degree. You are clear about this thing in class 7. When we add x degree and 80 degree and solving that condition, we get the value of x. Similarly, after x we need to calculate the value of y if possible. Here y is corresponding to x. These two lines are parallel. With the help of the relation between x degree and y degree, we will get the value of y. Similarly, for z, z is directly related with 80 degree. Z degree is corresponding with 80 degree. These are also equal. In this way we can solve the problem. How to solve? Solution. First of all, we write here. First of all, we are going to calculate the value of x degree. Here x degree plus 80 degree equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? इसको कारण के होला? इसको कारण x degree मा 80 degree एड गर्यो भने 180 degree हुन्छ. किन? यो पोइन्ट मा एकैतिर यो स्ट्रेट लाइन को एकैतिर बनेका एंगलहरु हामीले एड गर्यौं भने एउटा स्ट्रेट एंगल बन्छ, अथवा यी दुईटा एंगलहरु मिलेर एउटा लिनियर एंगल बन्यो. त्यसै हुनाले x डिग्री 80 डिग्री को सम्बन्ध के हो त? लिनियर पेयर हो. त्यसै हुनाले हामीले के गर्न सक्छौं? x डिग्री प्लस 80 डिग्री इक्वल टु 180 डिग्री लेख्न सक्छौं. यसको कारण के हो त? बिकज और बीइङ linear pair. Being linear pair, x degree plus 80 degree equal to 180 degree. Now we solve for x degree or x degree equal to. Now we change the side of 80 degree. X degree equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree. Or while solving it, you can use the equal axioms also, which we have learned in class 7. Or x degree equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree, you can subtract. It is 100 degree. Therefore, x degree equal to 100 degree. Here we got the value of x degree. After x degree, we need to find out the value of y degree. After this, again we are going to find out the value of y degree. Y degree is directly related with x degree. The relationship between them is corresponding angles. These two lines are parallel. The corresponding angles are equal. So we can write y degree equal to x degree. What is the reason? Y degree and x degree are equal, being corresponding angles. We write being corresponding angles. Therefore, y degree equal to, now the value of x degree is already calculated, which is 100 degree. So we can write y degree equal to, in place of x degree we write 100 degree. We got the value of y degree. At last we need to find out the value of z. Z को भ्यालु फेरि क्याल्कुलेसन गर्नु पर्ने छ. At last, now z degree is directly related with 80 degree. Z degree and 80 degree are corresponding angles. So we get z degree equal to 80 degree. Or we have next option also, the sum of y degree and z degree is 180 degree. From there also, replacing the value of y, we get the value of z. Here I am going to write z degree equal to 80 degree. At last z degree equal to 80 degree. What is the reason? Reason is being corresponding angles. Now we got the value of x degree, y degree and z degree. At last we summarize the answers. Therefore x degree equal to how much? 100 degree. Y degree is how much? 100 degree. And z degree is how much? Z degree is 80 degree. This is the solution or answer. This is the first example. Now dear students, according to the example A, I am going to give you a problem. You can copy the problem, okay? You see, according to this, a problem for homework to you, you can copy. The two lines are parallel. This angle is given 60 degree. This is x degree. This angle is y degree. This angle is z degree. Homework A number. This A number can be done according to this problem. Dear students, how to solve this? X degree is directly related with 60. You can do easily. They are corresponding angles equal. Now after x we need to find out the value of y degree. To calculate y degree, y plus 60 180 linear pair is this case. After getting y is directly related with z degree, corresponding angles. In this way you will get the value of z degree also. Dear students, now come to the next example, example B. Let us see example B. Your homework will be there only. Example B. Suppose these two line segments are parallel or transversal across the line segments. This angle is given x degree, this is 120 degree. This angle is y degree, this is z degree. Find out the values of x degree, y degree and z degree. Here also you can use the same concept. The two line segments are parallel line segments are cut by a transversal. Here x degree and 120 degree, the relationship between the angles is co-interior angles. The sum of co-interior angles is how much? Certainly you are clear, the sum is 180 degree. Why? The lines are parallel. X degree plus 120 degree equal to 180 degree. From there you will get the value of x degree. Now to find out the value of y degree, y is directly related with 120 degree. These are alternate angles. So you can write y degree equal to 120 degree. Now for z degree, z is related with 120 degree, z plus 120 180. From there you will get the value of z degree also. Let us see the solution. In solution, here first of all we need to find out the value of x degree. For this, x degree plus 120 degree equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? In the first example, the sum of the two angles, these two angles were in this form, linear pair form. Now here x degree plus 120 degree equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? Being these are co-interior angles. Co-interior angles between the parallel lines. Or you can solve x degree equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree, or x degree equal to subtract 120 degree from 180 degree, then you will get how much? 60 degree. Therefore, x degree equal to 60 degree. You got the value of x degree. After this, again we need to find out the value of y degree. Y degree is directly related with 120 degree. Y degree equal to 120 degree. What is the reason? Y and 120 are interior alternate angles. So, we can write alternate being alternate angles. Being alternate angles. Y is already calculated. Therefore, y degree equal to 120 degree. At last, अन्त्यमा हामीसँग त z डिग्री पनि बाँकी छ. z डिग्री को भ्यालु x डिग्री सँग अल्टरनेट डाइरेक्ट हुन्छ. हामीले यसरी z plus 120 इक्वल 180 डिग्री गरेर क्याल्कुलेसन गर्दै ल्याउनु भन्दा z डिग्री इक्वल टु x डिग्री लेख्न सक्छौं. एट लास्ट z degree equal to x degree. What is the relation? They are also alternate angles, being alternate angles. Therefore, z degree equal to, in place of x degree we can substitute the value which is 60 degree. Now, after the calculation of x degree, y degree and z degree, we can write the conclusion. Therefore, x degree equal to 60 degree, y degree equal to 120 degree, z degree equal to 60 degree. Answer. Dear students, now according to this, you can do a problem as a homework. B number. You can copy from here. Find the value of x, y and z. The same case. These two lines are parallel. This is x degree, this is 60 degree, y degree and z degree. Dear students, now come at last. Now according to the problem A and B, we can solve the problems given A and B, and I am going to write one more problem here for you according to the same case. I will give simple hint to you also. C number, you can copy the question. These two lines are parallel. Find the value of x degree. Suppose this is 30 degree, this is 40 degree. Find the value of x degree. How to find? Here you can draw a line which is parallel to either this line or this line. Then you get x degree is divided into two angles. Suppose A degree and B degree. Then A equal to 30 degree. You will get corresponding. B equal to 40 corresponding. Now x degree equal to A degree plus B degree. You can write. Then the value of x degree equal to 30 degree plus 40 degree. That is 70 degree. In this way you can calculate or you can solve the problem C. Now dear students, today we discussed about the coming days. We will discuss about mathematical problems. Okay, today this much only. Thank you.